Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I have a '01 Ford F350 here. This isn't the diesel one, this is actually a gas-powered one. A customer came in complaining of the rear differential fluid leaking, and he said the ABS light is on. So I want to show you what I got here. So I took the cover off, this is the cover, and I happen to see a dent right there. Now the fluid was leaking out between the cover and the housing. Right in there. That's where it was leaking out. So the impact of that must have disturbed the silicone seal. So I get the cover off, and I see that. Amazingly enough, it didn't wear through. It's not leaking, as you can see on the other side. There's no actual leak there. So I'm going to have to pound that out a little bit with a hammer. But what I did notice too is the damage to the tone ring. Now that's a tone ring for the rear ABS on this, in between the carrier and the ring gear. So that would explain the ABS light. But this vehicle actually has nearly 500,000 miles, so I doubt very highly we're going to do anything with that. We're just fixing the leak. If you guys need an explanation of how a rear diff works, I can give you that at another time. You just let me know if that's a video you'd be interested in. If you like my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. It'll help me make more videos. I hope you guys get something out of this. And that's about it. So, hope you guys are having a great day. Keep wrenching.